guys, welcome from Branchie Lover. So today I have a surprise for you that you need to do this. Dun, 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 dun. Wait. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Do you think this one? No more. You think this one? No more. Wait. That you think all of them? No. And next vlogs that is magical. Mom! Hello guys, welcome from Pretty Lover. So today is the next vlog today. And this is actually the goodest thing I ever seen. One day, there's a cute pencil and one eraser erased the pencil. And the cute pencil is just sad. And the cute pencil shreds to the forest. And eraser find the pencil and it finds it. And it broke the cute pencil. But it's just a prank. But you know what? When he wake up, something happens to the cute pencil's body. It breaks. But the tape will fix the pencil, and it's the superhero tape and the glue, and the thread is thread glue. Cute glue, and the end. But there's more. If there's more, like and subscribe, and you need to hit the bell button with 3 punches. And if you want part 2, wait for it. Bye bye guys, see you from my channel.